Hello grade 1.
Exit. Engine. Egg. Elbow. Elephant.
One sunny morning, Ollie and his mother went to the market. As they walked toward the entrance, Ollie saw a big exit sign above the door. Inside the market, Ollie pointed to a carton of eggs. "Can we buy some?" At the counter, a kind cashier greeted them. Ollie noticed her elbow resting on the counter. While waiting in line, Ollie heard the sound of a car's engine outside. He turned around and saw his father parking the car near the exit. Just then, Ollie spotted a small toy elephant near the counter. "Look, Mama, an elephant," he said excitedly. Ollie left the market happily, holding his new elephant toy.
D. Red. N. T. Net. N. Hen.
It is blue.
It is red.